In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a ticket in Zendesk. This is an essential skill for anyone working in customer service or support roles, as Zendesk is a widely used platform for managing customer interactions. So let's get started and ensure you can effectively utilize this tool. First things first, when you open your Zendesk interface, you'll want to locate the Add button on the top navigation bar. This is your starting point for ticket creation. Once you've found it, click on it. This will open up a new field of options for you to explore. Now, from the options provided, select Ticket. This is your main tool for customer interaction and where all the details will be stored. Next, we'll move on to setting up the ticket's requester. Look for the requester field in the ticket form and give it a click. This is where you'll specify who is raising the request. You'll need to type in the requester's information to associate the ticket with a particular customer. Typing accurately is crucial here to ensure the ticket is linked correctly to the customer's profile. Once you've got the requester information squared away, it's time to assign the ticket. Click on Assignee to determine who in your team will handle this issue. Type the name of the team member you'd like to assign the ticket to. Assigning tickets correctly keeps the workflow smooth and teams organized, making sure no customer query goes unaddressed. Following this, you'll want to set any possible followers for the ticket. Click on Followers in the ticket menu to add any other team members who need to stay in the loop. Type in their names in the same manner as before. Adding followers is particularly useful for team collaboration, allowing multiple team members to monitor the ticket's progress. Tags are also an important aspect of ticket management. Click on the Tags section to add relevant tags that will help categorize the ticket. This step is helpful for reporting and filtering tickets, ensuring that similar issues can be easily grouped and addressed efficiently. Now proceed by clicking on Type. This is where you will specify the nature of the ticket, whether it's a question, incident, task, or problem. Selecting the correct type aids in prioritizing tickets and allocating resources effectively. Next, click on Priority. Here, you'll determine the urgency of the ticket. Is it low, medium, high, or urgent? Priority levels help in strategizing how quickly issues need to be addressed, ensuring critical issues receive immediate attention. As you're wrapping up the ticket setup, you'll notice an option to Submit as New. This is your final step. Once you click on this, your ticket will be officially created in the system. By following these steps, you ensure that all your bases are covered, and your ticket is set up correctly. Remember, the accuracy of the information you enter is key to a successful resolution. Thank you for watching, and happy ticketing.